Hello, I'm Martinas, project manager of Future Voice on Air product. This completely new product helps radio DJs and talents to make their day-to-day work easier. Let's take a look how it works.
Future Voice.
Okay, this is our main system window where you can see all the callers. At the moment you can see that to the radio station are calling 6 people, one is already disconnected. Also you can see the number of times the person had called, and at the moment the green person is the person who is on air. You can see that he have called 2 times, one time he was previously on air. Also you can see the name of the caller if it is already entered in the system. As you can see, is capable to handle prices, calls registry, listeners database and blacklist database. Also there is administration menu window where you can see all the administrative tasks.
Future Voice.
As you can see from the demonstration, the system is very simple. If you want to add the listener, you just go to the calls registry or log and just enter the name of the listener. You can see the recent calls the listener had made to the radio station, that you can have a feeling what's happening with that listener. If you want to find a listener in your database, just press listener button and enter the name. For this time we enter Jonas. We can see that we have 4 Jonas in our database. If you want, we can look to the Jonas listener card and see how many prizes he won. Also, we can see recent calls history.
Future Voice.
This system is also capable handling prizes database. This means that you don't need any additional software for prizes accounting. And here you can see how many prizes are in the stock, which of them are reserved and which are already shipped to the winners. One of the main features for radio DJs and talents, this is blacklist. You just press the blacklist button and you can see the whole blacklist with commands. Also you can unblock the person, and the person who is in that list can never call to radio. This is the brief overview of the system. As you might know, we are the main developers of this system and we can modify the system according to your specific needs.
Future Voice.
That's a brief overview of Future Voice on Air system. This system can be installed in any existing radio infrastructure and there is no need to replace the hardware that you have already bought. Also, you can export all the listeners' database to Microsoft Excel software, and if you want, you can use it for marketing purposes. If you have any questions regarding the product, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.